Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to make a Chrome extension. So let's see how it's done. So guys, follow my steps. First, I'm going to create a folder and the relevant files. So I'm using VS Code for this because it's easier for me. Okay, I'm sure you already know this. We can open the folder in VS Code using a command, but you can also open it manually. It doesn't really matter either way. Look this. So if our extension has an interface, we'll need an HTML file to build it. So in this sample extension, I'm adding an interface. So let's create an HTML page as well. And we'll need a JavaScript file to handle all the functions. Now look at this file. This is the manifest. It works as the blueprint of our extension. You can say it's basically the main part. To store image files for our project, I've created an images folder. I'll add the icon file here. You can put any images your extension needs in this folder, but guys, try to use smaller sized images because sometimes the browser might reject larger files in extensions. So brothers, you can follow my code. This is just to demonstrate the core structure of a browser extension. If you want, I'll add a GitHub link for the full usable extension. You can download it from there. So check the description and the comments.
Remarkable thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. Never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
This is our manifest.json file. So it sets the manifest version, name, version, and description. The icon section defines the extension icon, and action sets the default icon, tooltip, and pop-up HTML. Basically, it tells Chrome how to load and display our extension. Okay, now add your icon.png file into the images folder. As I mentioned, the icon should be small. I recommend using a 16 by 16 PNG file. So guys, you finished building your first extension. Now follow these steps to add it to your browser and start using it.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the
Congratulations everyone, you've made your first browser extension. Now try making a fully usable one. So guys, what's on your mind? Let's make a custom cursor for your browser. Okay, then follow me guys. I'll show you step by step how to do it. This is a custom cursor for the browser, so it doesn't need an interface. It runs in the background, which means we don't need an HTML file.
so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no.
As I mentioned, this extension also needs small sized image files. Since it's a custom cursor extension, we need cursor images. You can download them from Google by searching custom cursor images or design your own. Just make sure they're small. Here we need both pointer and normal cursor images, so the cursor can change dynamically based on its state. Okay, follow the same steps we used earlier to add this extension to your browser. Now it's all done, guys. To check it, just open any web page in your browser and you'll see your custom cursor. Okay guys, try making your own extension with your creative ideas, and don't forget to share the GitHub link in the comments. Okay then, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and become a Naljan. So goodbye my little gang.